everybody. I hope everybody's had a good morning so far and you've enjoyed your weekend. It's Sunday afternoon at the moment, and I'm currently on our way back from South Wales. We're just going over the Severn Bridge, which is a big suspension bridge that spans the Bristol Channel, on our way back between South Wales and England. We've just been to a triathlon, which my daughter's been competing in, and that's one of the things that she chooses to do in her spare time, that she enjoys, that keeps her healthy, promotes a healthy lifestyle, and she actually says is really good for her mental health. We're coming to the end of Mental Health Awareness Week, and what I would like to show you first of all is a video clip about what mental health means, what good mental health looks like, and what you can do for yourself to help your mental health and keep yourself mentally strong.
This film is about mental health, talking about it and listening to others.
Mental health is about our feelings, our thinking, our emotions, and our moods. Everybody knows how to look after physical health, but looking after our mental health is just as important, because you can't see it, you need to talk about it.
Good morning, Afia.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Kai.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Sid.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Sophie.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Jay.
Good morning, Miss.
This film is all about Jay and us. We're her friends. We're all 10 or 11 years old.
All in the same school, live in the same area, but we're all very different to each other.
We all have different feelings every day. They come and go.
We can feel excited,
Silly, angry, nervous, grumpy, confused, lonely, happy, confident.
These are small feelings that we all have every day. What can we do when small feelings are bothering us?
I like KFC, or I like going in the bath.
I would probably write it down.
You'll feel it's out of you and on the paper. I usually read a book, so I can just escape into the book and then my worries are behind me.
When I feel stressed, I usually just turn a shower on and sing in the shower.
Just like sit down and play on my favourite video game, really.
You could count until you don't feel stressed.
Sometimes we can have big feelings and they don't go away. Big feelings can affect our mental health.
Big feelings can stop us getting on with our lives. They can change how well we feel, how we behave, how we see the world, and how we get on with other people.
Some of Jay's feelings stayed too long, and they got too big for her to manage on her own.
What's wrong with Jay? She's usually mature and good at getting her work done.
How are big feelings affecting Jay?
Am I in a jungle? Am I in the sea? My head is going crazy. Will you come and save me?
My tummy hurts. I can't get to sleep at night. I can't concentrate at school. It feels like I have a volcano inside of me, getting hotter and hotter.
Sometimes it might help to talk to someone about our feelings, but it can be hard to find the right person.
Do you think your mum might know something's wrong?
My mum has her own problems. She's not very well. I've been looking after her.
What about telling Miss Evelyn?
She's always busy.
What about your sister?
I wanted to talk to her, but how could I say it?
Sometimes it can be difficult to know what to say.
Can I talk to you?
I've been having a really hard time lately. Please help me. I'm really struggling.
If someone wants to tell you something, how could you be a good listener?
If you're listening to someone, you can lean forward or sit side by side.
Make them feel comfortable.
Always listen to them. Give them your time and attention.
If you're a friend, you might not know what you could do, but you can help the person find an adult who can help.
Let's see how Jay got on.
Hi, I'm Jack.
I don't go to school with Jay, but I go to swimming with Jay. It was me she decided to talk to, and I was worried about her. I told our coach because I thought she know the best thing to do.
I can see now that my problems are too big for me to deal with on my own. Other people have ideas and experience. There are lots of choices. I just had to think it through. Talking to someone didn't magic all the bad things away, but it did start to help me to change things, and it was good not to feel I was on my own. I'm 11 years old, and I realized if I wanted things to get better, I just needed a bit of help.
If your feelings are getting too big to cope with on your own, talking to someone you trust might really help.
So, talking to people and asking people that you trust to help you are good ways of getting help if you feel that your mental health needs help. But there are other things that you can do. Next is a little video that I'd like you to watch that talks about 5 different ways in which you can help make your mental health stronger.
Our mental health is important. By looking after it, we can feel happier, more positive, and are better equipped to get the most out of life. Research shows there are 5 simple things we can do as part of our daily lives to boost our mental health and well-being. These are called the 5 ways to well-being. Connect. Connect with those around you, with family, friends, colleagues and neighbours. Look to spend meaningful time with people each day. Instead of sending an email, talk to someone. Speak to someone new. Ask how someone's weekend was and really listen when they tell you. Arrange a catch-up with friends. Join a club or group of people who share a common interest. Put 5 minutes aside to find out how someone really is. Think of these connections as the cornerstone of your life and invest time in developing and strengthening them. Building these connections will support and enrich you every day. Be active. Look for ways to be active every day. Go for a walk or a run. Step outside. Stretch. Cycle. Play a game. Do some gardening. Dance. Most importantly, discover a physical activity you enjoy and that suits your level of mobility and fitness. Being active every day causes changes in our brain, which can positively affect our mood. Exercising makes you feel good. Take notice. To take notice is to be present in the here and now. Pay attention to the world around you, nature, people, your thoughts and feelings. Be curious. Catch sight of the beautiful. Remark on the unusual. Notice the changing seasons. Savour the moment. Becoming more aware of the present moment and reflecting on your experiences will help you appreciate what matters to you. Keep learning. Keep Learning is about learning new skills and information about topics that interest us. We can keep learning by trying something new, rediscovering an old interest, signing up for a course, fixing a bike, taking on a new responsibility at work, learning to play a musical instrument, trying a new recipe. Set a challenge you enjoy achieving. Learning can make you more confident and boost your self-esteem. It can also be fun. Give. Giving is about small acts of kindness for other people, whether that be your time, patience, words, or a smile. The smallest act can count. Do something nice for a friend or a stranger. Thank someone. Smile. Make someone a cup of tea. Sign up for volunteering. Donate to charity. Offer to help someone with a project. Ask a friend or someone you work with how they are and really listen to the answer. Giving back to others can create positive feelings and help us feel more satisfied with life. Seeing yourself and your happiness as linked to the wider community can be incredibly rewarding and create connections with the people around you.